Moody Air Force Base in Georgia hosted a significant milestone in its evolution into a cutting-edge fifth-generation fighter hub. Two F-35A Lightning II jets from the 187th Fighter Wing of the Alabama Air National Guard conducted a series of infrastructure compatibility tests designed to assess the base's readiness to support these advanced aircraft. These trials represent a crucial step toward phasing out the venerable A-10 Thunderbolt II fleet in favor of the stealth-capable and highly versatile F-35A. The testing focused heavily on how the unique acoustic signature of the F-35's engines interacts with the base's existing air traffic control (ATC) infrastructure. Engineers and personnel evaluated sound pressure levels during various flight patterns, including low-altitude passes and afterburner runs. This data is critical to ensure that air traffic controllers maintain clear communications and situational awareness, free from interference caused by engine noise during realistic operational scenarios. This transition aligns with the broader Air Combat Command initiative to modernize the fleet by integrating the F-35A, which offers a blend of stealth technology, advanced sensor packages, and superior situational awareness. The F-35's multi-mission capabilities provide a decisive upgrade from the A-10 specialized ground attack focus, delivering enhanced survivability and lethality in contested airspaces. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, nicknamed the Warthog, has served since the late 1970s, famed for its durable design, formidable 30mm GAU-8/A Avenger rotary cannon, and rugged battlefield performance. It has played a pivotal role in conflicts from the Gulf War to recent Middle Eastern operations. However, its original design catered to Cold War-era threats, primarily armored Soviet forces, and it now faces challenges against modern integrated air defenses and emerging geopolitical theaters like the Indo-Pacific. Replacing the A-10 with the F-35A signifies a strategic shift toward aircraft with enhanced stealth and electronic warfare capabilities. The F-35's ability to gather and share comprehensive battlefield data through network systems enables faster, more informed decisions and flexible mission execution, moving beyond the single-role constraints of legacy platforms. Jason Hughes, director of the F-35A Program Integration Office, emphasized the importance of these trials at Moody, noting that the insights gained will directly influence infrastructure upgrades, particularly regarding ATC tower modifications and resource planning necessary for the F-35's operational success. Meanwhile, Colonel Paul Sheets, commander of the 23rd Wing, remarked that the testing validates Moody's dedication to maintaining mission readiness and operational excellence as it adapts to fifth-generation warfare demands. Moody Air Force Base's ongoing transformation into an F-35A equipped installation exemplifies the U.S. Air Force's commitment to modernizing tactical air power and retiring aging aircraft platforms. As the F-35's roles expand across the force, Moody's preparations underscore a forward-looking investment in sustaining air dominance and combat effectiveness well into the future.